Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatomi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Tech. We're producing the isometric block displayed on the screen. So the very first step is to produce a thin horizontal line, then create a vertical line perpendicular to that thin horizontal line like this. Then I'm going to produce my isometric plane at both ends. First on my right like this, it's my 30-degree set square obviously, and then on my left with the same 30-degree set square like this. Now after doing that, pick your ruler and start measuring. Okay, from the base here towards my right hand side here is mark of 60, which I pick. Okay, before I proceed for that 60, I pick 10 inwards, mark of 10 inwards. Take note of that. So on my left hand side, I'm having, from the base there, I'm having mark of 10, mark of 15, and mark of 10, making 35. Okay, then on our height is mark of what? Mark of 20. So placing my ruler, I pick 20 as my height. So after picking those points, the next thing for me is to just bring them out with my T-square and set square. Okay, so from here I produce this like this faintly. Ensure your T-square and set square are sitting appropriately. Okay, so right here I'm having 1, 2. Let me just thicken it here. I'm thickening this. I'm going to thicken this. I'm going to thicken this, then I'm going to thicken this out. Okay, so this is going to be faintly. I'm going to project that one faintly and project this also faintly. So I'm going to thicken this all the way to the back like this, and at the bottom part here I'm going to thicken this like that. I'm going to draw this faintly like this, faintly like this, and faintly like this. I'm going to draw this also faintly like this. Then I'm going to turn my set square this way. Okay, from this bottom I thicken here to here and here to here. Then coming here I thicken here to here, here to here. Coming here I thicken this, and coming here I thicken this. Okay, then I'm going to bring this down like this from that junction. Ensure your square and set square are sitting perfectly. Okay, this like this. This comes here boldly like this. This comes here boldly like this. This comes here boldly like this, and this boldly like this. Okay, and this comes here like this, and that is okay. I'm going to thicken this at the back here, and probably this, I don't think. And that is the production of our object in isometric drawing. My name remains Oluwatomi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Tech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.